Okay, Sudeep, welcome to Times of India.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing good.
Okay, so it's good to see you back on television, and the show's promos are looking promising और काफी interesting लग रहे हैं जो भी sequences father and son के बीच में बताए जा रहे हैं. Talking about the show, tell us about your character and what's the show all about.
So I'll tell you, the show is based in Jaipur और ये बंसल परिवार जयपुर में रहता है और मैं राजीव बंसल का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ जो एक ब्रांच मैनेजर है और उसका मुद्दा ये है कि उसे अपने बेटे को अपना यार बना. नाउ राजीव फादर, उनका रिलेशनशिप ऐसा है कि वो बचपन से राजीव को लतेड़ देते थे, ये लपड़ यहाँ पानी गिरा दिया लपड़, मतलब वो ये जैसे बाप बेटे का नॉर्मली होता है.
Yes.
राजीव को लगता है कि यार आई जस्ट गो बैक टू अ थिंग कि जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो बाप इज लाइक बच्चा बन जाता है, बिकम्स चाइल्ड्स फ्रेंड, ही बिकम्स किड विद हिम. वो उंगली पकड़ के चलना सिखाता है, उसे साइकिलिंग सिखाता है, फुटबॉल सिखाता है. इन द टाइम ऐसा आता है कि वो बच्चा माँ के क्लोज हो जाता है थोड़ा, बिकॉज हो सकता है बाप बिजी हो जाए या पढ़ाई करने के लिए बोले या बोले भाई क्या बनोगे क्या करोगे, आई वांट यू टू बी समथिंग. इन दैट प्रोसेस चाइल्ड प्रॉब्ली बिकम्स क्लोजर टू द मदर, which is great, but बच्चों को ये भी लगता है कि अरे पापा को क्या फर्क पड़ता है. बाप को लगती है कि यार मेरा बेटा कहीं ना कहीं मुझसे दूर है.
हाँ.
तो राजीव को ये लगता है कि यार ये कब तक चलेगा कि I need to break this chain and I need to be the one flag bearer कि यार I want to be my son's friend, I want to be his friend. and तो राजीव की ये जर्नी है कि वो कैसे रियल लाइफ में और वर्चुअली भी, बिकॉज वर्चुअल का जमाना है, कैसे अपने बेटे का दोस्त बनना चाह रहा है. और उस प्रोसेस में बेटे के क्या रिएक्शन है, क्या रिजेक्शन है, राजीव को क्या रिजेक्शन लगती है, एंड फैमिली की क्या रिएक्शन है, फैमिली किस तरह से लेती है इस चीजों को. तो वो एक ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी है जो हर कोई रिलेट कर पाएगा. इस शो में ऐसी बहुत से इंसिडेंट्स हैं जो रियल लाइफ से भी इंस्पायर्ड है. And I've seen in reality, the other day, one of my uncles, he just called me, he said, I just saw your promo and I loved it. I had tears in my eyes because I'm 72 and my son who was an engineer and an MBA and now has a fashion business. I used to tell him, कि पढ़ ये कर वो कर. तो उस प्रोसेस में मैं उससे दूर हो गया लेकिन वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया. एंड ये देख के मुझे लगता है कि यार I need to be close to my son. So at the age of 72, he's saying that I'm going to take that step towards my son to make him my friend, and I feel lovely. I said, भाई मेरा काम हुआ है कि अगर ये आपको किसी फील, because ये है, मैंने देखा है. I've been very fortunate because my father, he's been my friend.
Yeah.
And that's what I want to be for my son. Though my son is much cooler, so I would want to be cool like him. But that's what I believe in.
In fact, my next question was that what kind of relationship you shared with your father while growing up?
So I'll tell you, my father, he's been my friend. मुझे आज तक थप्पड़ नहीं पड़ा मेरे फादर से. मम्मी से तो पड़ जाता है, अरे सोने दो और ये करो, बट मेरे फादर ने आज तक मुझे ऐसे भी नहीं पकड़ा. And I was not a very bright student initially, and मेरे marks आते थे just passing. And एक दिन मेरे dad आए रात को, I was sleeping and he hugged me and said कि I still remember it so fresh. बेटा देखो क्या करना है मुझे बता. What do you want? What do you want to be? What do you want to do? देखो नहीं अच्छी लगती पढ़ाई. और उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या हुआ, after a year or so, I started getting distinctions because I said यार मैंने इतना बेकार किया, and he still comes and loves me and says I'm with you. Tell me what you want to do. यही अगर थप्पड़ पड़ा होता शायद वैसा नहीं होता. So the same way, I'm also thankful to him for that, and that's what I learned from my father for my son. I want to be his friend. I want to be there for him. I want him to tell me first. सबसे पहले मुझे आगे बताइए क्या बात है. So that's the kind of relationship I have with my son, and I want to. And this show in a way helps me because it gives son's point of view also. So I should know what I don't need to do to be his friend throughout.
Yes. And Sudeep, you're playing a father to a teenager in this, show. Initially क्या थोड़ा सा apprehension था कि ये शो लूं या नहीं, कहीं मैं stereotype होके ना रह जाऊं. टेलीविजन में वैसे भी मेल एक्टर्स के लिए performance oriented roles बहुत कम है because this market is dominated by women and female characters.
Yes.
So
exactly.
हाँ, tell me.
Hey, sorry, please complete.
Yeah, so I wanted to know, कोई apprehension था कि एक teenage growing बेटे का father का role करना, कहीं मैं stereotype ना हो जाऊँ.
So, I have been very fortunate from playing a गाँव वाला in जब लव हुआ to Dr. Ayushman in Ayushman to क्यों होता है प्यारा teenager to संतान playing a child who is situation कि माँ बाप को क्या करूँ मैं, a child's point of view. To वो अपना सा also, to मैं लक्ष्मी देवी to परम अवतार Shri Krishna also. I've been very fortunate where I've got parts where I'm doing things, and when I heard this story, I said, boss, I have to do this show because it is a male point of view, a father's point of view, his journey to become his son's friend, and you don't get that in television. It's never been seen in television.
Right.
My only apprehension was not about that I will look old कि क्या होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ जो लिखा होता है ना उससे बढ़ के तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. कल मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, शायद मैं कल कुछ और probably a younger or I don't believe in that. So मुझे ये था कि I should do it convincingly. So once Sumit had called me कि यार I want you to listen to it. I said it's beautiful, but do you think I have a son who's 10, but do you think I will pull off as a father in that age? So he said, I want you to come. I said, okay. So he gave me this look and he tested me and stuff. He said, see, you're playing it. So I'm wearing a paunch. I've put on a few kilos with this mustache and everything, with the physical gestures and stuff. I hope and I think I'm getting there. So it was never about playing. I mean, if Mr. Anupam Kher can play 60-year-old
Saransh.
And I can definitely try and attempt an audition for a man who is closer to my age and do it convincingly. So never. I don't believe in that. I believe कि यहाँ है ना और मैं मेहनत से कर रहा हूँ तो वो लोगों को अच्छा लगे. The idea is that.
Sudeep, you also took a break, जब आपके बीच में आपको हेल्थ पे थोड़ा सा काम करना था. There was a time you took health. So एक एक्टर की लाइफ ऐसे कहा जाता है कि बहुत इनसिक्योर होती है कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि आपको एक हिट शो हो गया लेकिन उसके बाद भी एक दूसरा वैसे ही प्रॉमिसिंग शो मिले आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसे गारंटी नहीं है इस करियर में. सो कभी वो बैक ऑफ द माइंड एक थॉट, एक डर रहा कि आई एम टेकिंग अ ब्रेक एंड व्हाट इफ आई एम, वो एक कहावत है ना कि आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड, वो इस इंडस्ट्री में बहुत एप्ट बैठती है.
नहीं रहा सच में विजयलक्ष्मी, बिकॉज मुझे हमेशा ये लगा अगर मेरा काम अच्छा है ना तो मुझे सामने से लोग बुलाएंगे. एंड इफ इट्स मेंट फॉर मी, नो मैटर व्हाट, इवन मिस्टर खान कम्स, इफ इट्स मेंट फॉर मी आई विल गेट इट. सो आई हैव नेवर बीन इनसिक्योर अबाउट इट. And yes, health is my priority, my family is my priority, and that's the reason I've been here for 17-18 years now, and still touch wood doing it, because I believe if you're doing a good job and if you're honest to your work, nothing can stop you.
Right. And how is it working with the young lad in your show and with Shweta, teaming up with her? How was the whole experience?
Oh, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. You get to know, because Ansh is so young and he's so new to this. So whatever he does is new for everyone. So, it's not a limited expression. It's new for us. It's something new that we've seen. So you get to learn stuff from that. You get to learn the lingo is what my son also saying. I say, what does that mean? What is that? So you get to know, I'm jumping. So you're jumping? You're doing this? No, it means I'm doing this, Papa. Okay. I'm using my, so many times I'm using my the earpod. He said, no, Papa, it's AirPods. I said, oh, okay. So you know, okay, you need to be at par with them. So that's what is with Ansh. So you get to know a lot of new stuff and you update it. So that's helping me in some way or the other. And Shweta is a delight to work with. She's brilliant. She's just such phenomenal. She's a great actress and very comfortable to work with. So is Rajendra Ji, such a senior actor, and Ashu. Team is brilliant and the writing is so good. I am so blessed to have such great writers writing this show. So is the directing. I really can't wait for you guys to watch it.
Not in television, yes. Lastly, before wrapping up, what will you tell your fans who are going to watch you in this show?
Well, I have to thank them with all. Thank you so much for all the love that you guys have given me since so many 17-18 years now. I really can't be more thankful, and I just want to be honest that when I'm telling you कि ये अलग शो है ना, ये फिल्मी वाला अलग नहीं, ये सच में it's a different show. You will love it, you will cry with it, you will laugh with it, you will relate to it. You would feel कि हाँ यार ये तो हुआ है, ये तो मेरे पापा भी ऐसे करते हैं या मेरा भाई ऐसा करता है. So you will really love it. Give it a chance, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And once again, thank you so much for all the love. Please watch Tera Yaar Man.
Thank you so much, Sudeep. It was great chatting with you, and all the best for the show. Hope it
My pleasure.
rocks the
Thank
TRP
you so
chart.
much. I hope so. Please watch it, and I will wait for your review.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Stay
Bye,
safe. Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Take care.